I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make idli at home, only ways. Soak rice in urad dal for 4 to 6 hours, then drain thoroughly and grind into a smooth batter. Add salt after grinding and mix in air with gentle folding. Leave the batter to ferment until it doubles and becomes slightly tangy. Steam in greased idli plates for 10 to 15 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean and idlis are soft and fluffy. In this video, I will show how to make idli at home, only ways. Measure rice in urad dal accurately and include a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds for better fermentation and aroma. Grind rice and dal separately to different textures, then combine and add minimal water to reach thick pouring consistency. Stir in salt after grinding, cover the bowl, and leave in a warm place to ferment. Steam properly and serve hot with chutney and sambar for best results. In this video, I will show how to make idli at home, only ways. When mixing, fold gently to keep the air bubbles that make idlis soft and pillowy. Check the batter visually and by smell to ensure proper fermentation before steaming. Grease idli plates lightly and steam without opening the lid for the first 10 minutes to ensure even heat. Cool briefly before removing to avoid sticking, and serve immediately for the best texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.